Hello everybody and welcome back to my channel. So today what I'm going to be doing is making homemade cinnamon buns. I've never done this before, so we'll see how it goes. But I found this really yummy recipe on Pinterest and I'll link it down below if you want to try it. So I just put my hair up in a nice little ponytail and I'm reading the instructions and it says it might be a process, and that's okay. We have lots of time. To make dough, in a large bowl, this is a large bowl, mix the flour, sugar, and salt and yeast together. We have a nice bag of flour. Got all our measuring cups. There's one. Boom. Okay, how much sugar do we need? That's it? That's pretty good, actually. Tablespoons are a lot bigger than I thought they were. One. Perfect. And we need 1 teaspoon of salt. So let's find salt. We literally have the biggest container of salt. This is yeast, you sure? Yes. So here's the mixer. I need this thing to go on it. I'm gonna do it like super. Okay, so I mixed that all up. And now we need to get a microwavable bowl. Is that big enough? We'll use this microwavable bowl. Measuring water is difficult. A quarter cup of milk. Quarter cup. This is so heavy. This is a brand new thing of milk. So this might be very difficult to pour a small amount, but we'll try. That was legendary. Okay, that wasn't bad at all. It says 45 seconds. So we'll do that. Cool. We're adding it to here. Cool. Okay. 1 large egg. Now I'm gonna mix it for 4 minutes. Oh my gosh. Maybe I won't put the lid on because that was really weird.
5 minutes later. 1 eternity later.
I guess. All right, our timer has gone off, so we're gonna see how this looks, I guess. So it says now to lightly grease this bowl and then put it in a bowl and like put saran wrap over it and let it sit. So that's what I'm gonna do. I lightly greased this already. You can barely tell, which is good. And the consistency of this actually seems like what they were describing, so perfect. And we're just gonna put it in there. We're done. Timer set. This is what it looks like. We got just a bowl with some dough in it. Nothing very exciting yet, honestly. I'm so confused because it says preheat oven to 200 degrees and turn off after 10 minutes or just before placing rolls in the oven. So we're gonna cook them in a not on oven. Okay, I guess. Let's turn this on. Bake 200. Start. That's concerning to me. I don't know why. Whatever. Go with the flow, I guess. Cool. Okay, it's coming along nicely actually, and hopefully it actually works out. If you like my water bottle, watch my making Visco stickers video because I made all these stickers myself. It's the timer. Okay, got it, Alexa, thank you.
You bet. Happy Wednesday.
You too. That was so weird. Wait, no, how do I turn it off? Alexa, stop timer. Okay, that doesn't look like it did anything. Do you think I should wait longer? What's it supposed to do? Well, okay, mix together cinnamon sugar. Oh, that's literally it. I'm just gonna use this tiny bowl. Welcome back, Jeffree Star who. I'm just like mixing it, you know? Now what I'm gonna do is actually read the freaking instructions. Okay, we got this, we can do this. So I'm gonna get some parchment paper to put on the counter because I don't want it to like stick to the counter and stuff. Okay. Oh no. Okay. On the counter it is then. I'm coming from this angle now because I wanted to show you what I'm actually doing. So I'm taking the butter and I'm just gonna like lightly dust it on top, and then I'm going to sprinkle the stuff on top. So yeah, let's do that. This is the part I'm a little scared of. We need to roll it. Oh, I didn't quite have enough to fill the pan, and I'm not sure I did it correctly, but this is what it looks like. Boom. Now it says to take aluminum foil and lightly cover the pan. Place in the oven for 20 minutes with the oven off. Alexa, set a timer for 20 minutes. I cleaned up the kitchen and the 20-minute timer is still going, but I thought we could make the icing now. I'm gonna make it in here with a whisk, I'm pretty sure. And because something went wrong with the mixer machine, I guess I'm just Thor and I tightened this way too tight. So it's literally stuck on there. I tried, my mom tried, so we're just gonna leave it like that. And I'm gonna use a different bowl. And it says milk or coffee, but we're gonna use milk because my brother doesn't like coffee and we want him to be able to eat it too. So we're just gonna mix that. I think I'm doing a pretty good job. I'm not sure what time I started this whole thing. Probably at like 1 or something. But it is currently 3:43. I also look like a ghost. I'm the same color as this milk jug. All right, this is my mom. Hi y'all, she's back. And I'm making myself lunch at 4 o'clock, but whatever. Every once in a while, I'm just gonna come back and mix this so it doesn't get hard. Timer! That was, okay, it's Alexa. You shut it. Alexa, you can turn off the timer now. Okay, so no one cares about my new career. They all just keep walking in. Oh, he doesn't need a drink. Oh, no. He can get his own drink. He won't choke. Taking off the tin foil. I don't know how they expect you to do that. Cool. And now I'm putting them back in. I don't know what the point of like without, oh, too much is happening at one time. I don't understand the point of putting them in without the oven on, but whatever. Now we need to set a timer. I wonder if this is gonna be hot. No. Basically what I'm doing now is that's gonna cook and I'm gonna eat some lunch. And then I'll come back to you when they're done in 15 minutes. Oh my gosh. Look at these. These are like, I mean, they look a little ugly, but they smell amazing. So our oven is really loud when it's cooling down, but I really want to put the icing on top and just like have it melt over because that just sounds so good. So we need to do that right now. Okay, we're gonna let them cool a little bit and then I'm gonna eat one. Oh, who cares? Let's have right now. I'm so excited to eat this. No idea. Hopefully it actually tastes like something amazing. Oh my god, that's so hot. But that tastes so good. Like, for real. I thought there wasn't gonna be enough frosting, but for real, just that much is perfect. This is amazing. Like, I know I keep saying that, but like, you should make this. Also, just saying, that was like the ugliest angle you could ever record at. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed. If you make these, please comment down below and tell me how you liked them. Just go into the description and you'll find the recipe on my Pinterest board. Please subscribe if you enjoyed this video and I'll see you next Friday. Bye.